Hello everyone, this is Bhanush and welcome back to Be10x YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you a brand new side hustle that no one is talking about, which is going to help a lot of you guys to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2024 using ChatGPT and some other AI tools. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you particularly about how to promote books using affiliate links and earn from it, right? You can also use some alternative niche for books and also some different niches where you are familiar with and you are convenienced with, right? For example, the fashion, or if you are familiar with electronics, you can go for that, right? As an example, in this video, I'm going with the niche called books because most of the audience nowadays relate on the books in the internet, right? So that's the reason I'm taking a book as a niche and I'm following up all the process over here. Same process, you can do it for the other niche as well. All right. Now let's see the step-by-step process of it, right? So first, let's get into some ebooks or the selling platforms where books are sold to get a referral link. So let's search for ebooks. Let's say ebooks.com. This is actually a platform where ebooks are sold, right? So here you please sign into it. So if you are a new user, click on create an account and put all the credentials required. All right, once you sign in for free, then you will get an interface like this. So here you will get a lot of books, right? You can search for a title or author. And before that, let's go to full down. Here you will see an option called affiliates. So please click on that. So once you click on that, so please go through all of these instructions and of course your requirements will be fulfilled, and here you will get a hyperlink of request to join our program. So click on that. Once you click on, you can give your name, and for organization you can give it as a public domain, and website also you can give it a public website, and also email, you can put out your email and you can request for access. So once you click on this, it takes few hours to get a access for you to become an affiliate. So once you get an access, then you please go to the books or search for books over here, or let me be specific. So I'll search for Rich Dad and Poor Dad. All right, now your option is here. So you can copy the link. So once you copy link from the referral you have, I mean the affiliate link you have. Before moving further, I wanted to tell you that we at Be10x offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just ₹9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by two alumni of IIT Kharagpur. So take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with Be10x. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with Be10x now. Alright, now you have successfully selected a book name and also you have copied your affiliate link as well, right? So now at step 2, let's head over to ChatGPT, which is master of all the AI tools and also AI chatbot. Here, whatever the subject or the topic name you have selected for a book, so the same book summary you have to create here, right? So let's prepare a summary of the complete book which we have selected. We have selected a book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad, right? So let's give a prompt something like this. Create a complete summary of Rich Dad and Poor Dad book in 500 words. So let's click on enter. Alright, now ChatGPT has created a complete summary of rich dad and poor dad book. So now with this summary, let's copy the complete summary. Once we copy the all the response given from ChatGPT, let's head over to Quillbot to just rephrase it, because the ChatGPT response will be like a AI generated one. So to convert it into a humanly made thing, we have to come to the platform called Quillbot, and here let's paste the complete response which we have copied at ChatGPT, right? So now let's click on paraphrase so that the complete arrangement will be changed. So look at this, guys, this is completely like humanly made, right? So it doesn't brings us a sense of humor that giving AI prepared. And one more thing, guys, we have premium version here. So once we start generating money from whatever the affiliate links we have, we can go for premium. Till then we can go with a basic version, right? So let's copy the response we got from this. Actually it's not a complete response because I have selected 500 words. Actually it's a limited word, so let's copy a bit. So this is actually an example, so I don't want to make it complicated for you, so I'll just copy the first phrase, but make sure you copy complete one. And once copied, let's go to step 3 where we want to publish this concept which we have copied right now, right? So it's our final thing, final touch up. So let's start publishing the content and the link which we have copied at the beginning at the ebook platform. And to publish, let's head over to the platform called medium.com. So basically medium.com is a platform where we can post our blogs and also the writings whatever we have. So this platform ranks higher in the Google. So if you want to reach out to the vast audience, then this is a go-to platform for you. And now to create your own blog post, so click on the right option here. So once you click on the right option, so whatever the description we have copied from bot, right, the second one, the quill bot, so paste that down here. So once it's done, even give a title like Rich Dad and Poor Dad, right? The book name is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So let's give a title. All right. Now with this, you can also add some of the images required. So now it's very important for you to add your affiliate link, which you have been copied at the first platform, right? Do you remember, guys? We have copied affiliate link in the platform called ebook.com. So that link you have to paste it down here, right? So you'll get an option like chain, that means hyperlink. So there you can paste the link, like whatever you have been copied as an affiliate link. All right, now we have successfully pasted our hyperlink here, and with this, wherever it's possible, please try to add your hyperlink, right? As most as you add the hyperlink, there are opportunities that the people looking at it can go through your affiliate link and get that particular product or the ebook, right? So that there are more probability that you can earn money from this. So guys, I'm pretty sure that if you follow the same process throughout the thing, you will be able to generate a revenue, right? Once if you do this task, it can be a passive income as well. So ChatGPT is a major AI tool acting here as a bridging platform. So that if you want to know more AI tools like this, please attend our 3 hours live workshop on AI tools, which is conducted by top 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and link to that AI tool workshop is in the description. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.